How to turn on LG TV without a remote. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to teach you how you can easily turn on and off a TV without a remote control. First of all, you need to find a power button under the LG logo on the TV. You can only turn on or off the TV with this button and cannot use it to control other features. So once you see this type of button, you simply need to press it in order to turn it on, and you just have to press it again if you want to turn your TV off. With some models, the power button may be located on the rear bottom right hand side. Some models will allow you to access other features besides power when using the button. Please refer to the owner's manual for more information. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.